your boy Kicks coming back to you with another You Dig. Hold on, let me cut the light back right there. That shit look decent on it. Yeah, buddy. Man, I'm tired. I just did 8 hours on the streetcar, man. That shit be so boring. I swear. But now we finna get into this unboxing. I told y'all we was gonna do this unboxing. Y'all ain't believe me when I said we was gonna do this unboxing, but now we finna do it. Box right here on the bed. Got me a little. So we finna go ahead and maneuver how we maneuver, you feel me? So y'all stay tuned and check me out. Alright, so we doing this a little ghetto today, man. We on the bed. But starting off, man, like I got this package from Finish Line. And honestly already, bro, like really, like come on, man. I'm really kind of dissatisfied with my box. Like, I just feel like it's got space in there, like, you know what I'm saying? And then this side cut, like somebody tried to maneuver, you feel me? But hopefully everything's decent, man. The tape's so flimsy, man. So ridiculous. But as y'all can see, and hold on, let me look at this box, man. Hold on, let me see. Okay, it is something inside, just to let y'all know. Cause you know everybody thinks shit full. Now y'all just see me take that out the box. Finish Line, billing, all that. Don't look at my address, all that. So y'all see I ain't playing no fugazi games. You feel me? Boom. So this would be like my little return sticker or whatever. And then y'all seeing all this over here. Go by my little address real quick. Boom, boom. But it's all like one, you know, You Dig. But you can fold it in, you know. So the shoe we looking at today, it's gonna get in here. Size 10.5. The retail was $200, and this is the Air Jordan 6 Retro. Color code black infrared, and as you can see, they got my box all creased up, man. Like, they was really on bullshit today. Like, for real. Like, literally, big ass crease right there. Like, man. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the shoe, man. You got your black, like, waxy paper. Got that stamp right in there on the inside. Well, the little sticker. And then the stamp is right here on the side. Whew. God damn. If the shoe didn't look so good. Oh, man. They... Oh, man. I don't know if Finish Line gave me a pair that... Let me look and see, man. I don't know if these tried. I don't know what. Like, they did me dirty. And I got this on a restock. Like, they had restocked a couple of days ago, and I caught, look at that. The lace sticking all out. Man, they smell woody, though. That shit crazy. Check out this one. Now, this one decent. This one got the... You know what I'm saying? The laces sitting like how they supposed to be. Kind of see them 3M hints. The red on these is actually way better than the other ones. I ain't gonna lie. Man. So getting into the shoe, you can see the 23 on the side. A lot of people usually don't see it, but it's like right there, the 2 and then the 3. Just like nubuck upper. The red is way better than the original one. I ain't gonna lie. Oh. Well, I ain't gonna say the original one, but the one they came out with in like 2013. These joints straight, man. I ain't gonna get too in depth with it. It's just an unboxing. We're gonna go ahead and make another video that's completely, you know what I'm saying, for that. So, just showing y'all this quick unboxing, man. I got the infrareds. Told y'all I was gonna get them. Better late than never. Patience is key. Like I said, I almost went through Flight Academy kicks and spent, which went a crazy amount, 285. So it would have been like 85 over retail. But I ended up catching them from finish line. They restocked like a couple of days later after they dropped. So it is what it is. Thank y'all for watching this video. And yeah, we on to the next one.
Infectious.
Just relax. 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 Just relax.